Hey everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving into one of the most explosive plays in the market right now, Opendoor, ticker symbol OPIN. This stock has gone absolutely parabolic over the past few trading sessions, and it's now being crowned by some as the next big meme stock. So, what's driving the hype? Can it continue? And should you be watching it closely as we head into Friday's trading session? Let's break it down. First up, the numbers. Opendoor is up nearly 90% this week alone. That's not a typo. On massive volume, we've seen the stock roar from around $1.20 to over $2 at its peak. For context, that kind of move doesn't happen in a vacuum. It usually means two things: retail traders are piling in, and short sellers are getting squeezed. Now, Opendoor is no stranger to volatility. This company was once a rising star during the pandemic housing boom, but after the market cooled, the stock fell hard. Fast forward to now, and what we're seeing is a perfect storm for a classic meme stock run. Let's talk about what's fueling this momentum. A big catalyst this week came from hedge fund manager Eric Jackson of EMJ Capital. He published a bullish breakdown of Opendoor, suggesting the stock could hit $80, yes, 80, over the long term. That post blew up on social media. Retail traders flooded in, Reddit threads lit up, and stocktwits was flooded with open mentions. What makes this especially interesting is the short interest. Around 25% of the float is being shorted. That's huge. If retail continues to apply pressure, shorts will be forced to cover, and that's how we get these vertical price movements. This has the DNA of a textbook short squeeze. Think of what we saw with GameStop or AMC in 2021. Opendoor is now showing similar behavior, and the bulls are hungry. Now some people are asking, why Opendoor? Well, part of it is the price. It's cheap. When a stock is trading around $1 or $2, it doesn't take much buying power to create a big percentage move. That's attractive to retail traders looking for a big win. But it's not just speculation. There is a thesis forming. Opendoor has spent the past year aggressively cutting costs. They're streamlining their operations and surviving in a tough housing market. With interest rates possibly coming down later this year, some investors believe the company could benefit from a rebound in housing demand. If rates drop and buying activity picks up, Opendoor could be in a much stronger position than many give it credit for. That's what the bulls are betting on. Looking ahead to Friday's trade, momentum is everything. Volume has been insane this week. We're seeing hundreds of millions of shares changing hands daily. That's not normal volume, that's meme stock energy. What makes Friday even more important is that it's the end of the trading week. Momentum from the past few days could either explode higher or take a breather, and that depends on who shows up. If retail stays in control and short sellers remain trapped, we could see another massive leg up. And let's not forget, any major headlines, tweets, or bullish breakdowns from influencers could reignite the fire. This is a stock that's being watched closely. If you're a trader looking for volatility, Opendoor should be at the top of your watch list. Let me be clear, this is a high-risk, high-reward trade. Opendoor is not currently profitable. The company still faces challenges in the housing sector. But that's not what meme stock traders care about in the short term. What they're watching is momentum, sentiment, and short interest. Opendoor checks every single box. Low share price? Check. High short interest? Check. Retail enthusiasm? Massive. Viral potential? Off the charts. If that recipe continues to simmer, we could be looking at a stock that rewrites its short-term history in a matter of days. So as we head into Friday, keep your eyes on Open. Whether you're trading or just watching from the sidelines, this one is shaping up to be the latest chapter in the meme stock saga. If you found this breakdown helpful, make sure to like and subscribe, and drop your thoughts on Opendoor in the comments. Stay sharp, and trade smart.